All right, hey guys, this is Garrison. I'm a health coach out of Salt Lake City, and I use these upgraded formulas, hair mineral deficiency and heavy metal tests with my clients, and I love them. I've actually learned so much about the recommendations that I've been making as a coach and how to do that a little bit more accurately and appropriately with my clients. And so I did this myself first and fell in love. I've done this test once. I found out that I had some deficiencies. I was actually quite magnesium deficient, which was upsetting a little bit, but also awesome to find out. But it was upsetting because I was taking magnesium. I was taking magnesium glycinate, which is supposed to be the most bioavailable and absorbable magnesium, and I was still very deficient in magnesium. So I've been using now the upgraded formulas magnesium with their nanotechnology for absorption, along with some other things. And so we're gonna do a test again to see where I'm at right now. And so I thought I would share with you guys how you do it. So this is how it comes. You get this nice box, okay? And inside, or you may get an envelope. Depending on when you see this video, you may also just get an envelope like this, but the test is in here, okay? So I'm gonna show you what's inside. So first, there's an envelope to just like mail it, right? So it's super easy. You don't have to like go into a lab or anything like you do with blood work. It's just all from home. So really simple. There's your mail-in envelope. You fill out this little envelope and you fill out a little form, right? It's like nothing too intense here, just like a little form. And then here, this little thing is a scale to tell you how much hair they need to do it. Now I have blonde hair that I bleach, right? So all of this hair up here has been colored and treated. So what I'm gonna use underneath, you see how I have these two colors? Underneath, this is like my natural hair color. This has not been dyed. So I'm gonna take all of my hair from under here because you want to get hair that hasn't been treated recently. I made sure I didn't put any products in it or anything like that. So I got fresh, clean, washed hair. I'm gonna take some that hasn't been color treated and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Okay, so here you can see they call this a hair weight scale. And so what you're gonna do is you're going to fold down these two flaps on the side. And then once you have enough hair put on here, side B is gonna like tilt towards the ground. So that's how you know that you've put enough on there for them to get results for you. And they do recommend, let me see if I can get this to focus. Focus, please. No, there we go. Okay, so small portions from the neck and sides of head or by your ear or temple are great, but you can also do like, if you're bald, like I've had bald male clients that are like, and I'm like, okay, you can get it from anywhere. You can even do like your leg or your pubic hair or your armpit hair. Okay, just need some sort of hair. And then about no longer than 1.5 inches long. And then we're going to put it on here. So I'll go ahead and show you how I do that. I'm going to go like, for me, I'm going to go like in, like, so it's not like right on my hairline. I'm going to just go in a little bit in here. That way, like, no one is ever in a million years going to notice that I cut some hair from like the nape of my neck, right? Okay, so I just went ahead and took a pretty decent chunk. I have a lot of hair. Let me move this camera angle so I can, or maybe move it. Here we go. So see how that side B is like not pushed down on the ground right there? So I'm gonna just cut some of this hair into little sections and put it on there until side B is completely on the counter. Okay, I think that should be enough. I'm gonna do just a little bit extra just in case. So you see, like, I probably didn't even need this much hair, but it's all good. I got a lot of hair to give. All right, so here I've got my hair all cut and ready to go on this hair scale. You can see it really didn't require like that much hair. So it's super fast and easy. You don't have to cut off like tons of hair. I'm just gonna like go ahead and pour that right into the envelope, seal it up, fill out my form, and that's it. Then I get my results.